10 miles southwest of Arcadia, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows,
Tornado
and
warning,
vehicles will
tornado
occur.
warning.
Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Arcadia and southeast Arcadia around 7:40 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Brownville, Nocatee, and Fort Ogden. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 a.m. for the following county: Hardee, Florida.